Imagine editing a photo with nothing but your voice, and the AI not only gets it right, but remembers exactly who's in the photo, what they look like, and keeps them consistent across every single edit. No warped faces, no mismatched details, no starting over. That's not science fiction anymore. That's Google's brand new AI image model, codename Nano Banana. In today's video, we're diving deep into what Nano Banana really is, how it works, and why people are calling it the future of AI image editing. His video that you are watching is recorded by FocuSee, which allows us to record easily, zoom automatically, share instantly, delivering a seamless and professional visual experience. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our breakdowns on the latest AI tech. So let's start at the top. What exactly is Nano Banana? Well, the funny name is just Google's internal code name. Officially, it's called Gemini 2.5 Flash Image. It's developed by Google DeepMind and is part of the larger Gemini AI suite. You might already know Gemini as Google's answer to ChatGPT, but Nano Banana is their next step in visual creativity. Right now, you can already use it inside the Gemini app, through the Gemini API, Google AI Studio, and even Vertex AI for enterprise users. Okay, but here's the real question. Why does this matter? The answer is one word: consistency. Most AI image editors can generate beautiful results once, but if you try to edit that same person, pet, or object multiple times, the identity starts breaking down. Maybe the face looks different, maybe the clothing warps, or suddenly your dog has an extra leg. Nano Banana fixes that. It's designed to remember details across edits. So if you put a person in a business suit, then change the background to a forest, and finally switch their outfit to a party dress, they'll still look like the exact same person every time. No distortion, no weird mutations. Here's how it works. Instead of treating each edit like a brand new image, Nano Banana carries over a kind of visual memory from one step to the next. And you don't need complicated tools. All you do is describe what you want in plain language. You can say, turn this photo into a cyberpunk city scene, or make the background a beach at sunset, or even put a party hat on the dog and balloons in the background. The model understands and applies those changes while preserving the original subject. This is a massive leap forward from older models that treated every edit like a fresh generation with no memory of what came before. Now let's talk real-world applications. Content creators can make fast, polished images for thumbnails, posters, or reels without starting from scratch every time. Marketers can take one product photo and instantly adapt it to a dozen different styles. Summer sale, winter theme, holiday promo, all consistent. Digital artists can layer edits without worrying about losing character identity. Imagine designing a comic panel where the main character actually looks the same in every frame. Even educators or small businesses can use it. Need a quick infographic? A clean product shot? Done in seconds. So how is the AI community reacting?
Today we're looking at a mysterious new model that's been floating around the LM arena.
There's a new AI image editor that is blowing everybody's minds right now.
What is Nano Banana? If you haven't heard those two words together, you're probably not keeping up with AI.
Nano Banana has already been benchmarked on platforms like LM Arena, and the results are impressive. People are calling it the first AI editor with a memory. Creators who struggled with other AI tools are noticing fewer errors, sharper images, and way more reliability. One user put it perfectly: it feels like the AI finally understands continuity. And here's the big picture. Nano Banana isn't just about pretty photos. It's about building AI that can track, remember, and stay consistent. Something that could reshape not just image editing, but video, animation, even 3D design in the future. This consistency factor is what's going to push AI from being just a novelty tool to being a professional creative partner. So there you have it, Google's Nano Banana, aka Gemini 2.5 Flash Image, an AI image editor that remembers, adapts, and finally makes multi-step editing actually reliable. The next time you see a polished thumbnail, product shot, or digital art piece, don't be surprised if Nano Banana was behind it. Behind this video lies FocuSee, a game changer that makes recording a breeze, zooms in on the action automatically, and lets you share stunning visuals instantly. What do you think? Will this replace Photoshop for everyday users? Or is it just another flashy AI demo? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the future of AI.